Home is a special place. It's where families experience milestones and create cherished memories together. At Harper Designs, we create beautiful and functional spaces so you can enjoy those moments. With our full-service design studio and 3D rendering service, it allows our clients to envision exactly what we see before we begin. Even though we work on a lot of large-scale projects, it really comes down to the details, and those details are thoughtfully selected. At Harper Designs, we create beautiful spaces that are comfortable, bright, and collected.